Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fauzia, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and beautiful origami bird. This is a great project for beginners and perfect for anyone who loves crafting. So, let's grab our materials and get started. What you need is just one thing, a square piece of paper. Origami paper works best because it's already perfectly square. But you can also use any paper you have at home. Make sure you have a flat surface to work onto. Alright, are you ready? Let's begin! First, take your square paper and fold it diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner. This will create a large triangle shape. Make sure the edges are perfectly aligned. Then press down on the fold to make a sharp crease. This is important to keep your origami nice and neat. Now, fold the triangle in half again by bringing one corner over to meet the other corner. You should have a smaller triangle now. Once you've made that fold, open the paper, back up the large triangle shape. You'll see a crease running down the center, which will help guide our next step. Now, take one corner of the triangle and fold it upwards, so it meets the top point of the triangle. This will start forming the base of our bird. Do the same thing on the other side. You'll see that your paper will look like a kite shape. This is the base of our bird, and we're almost there. Next, fold down the top layer of the kite shape along the creases you have already made. Fold both sides toward the middle. Then do it also on the opposite side. Tuck the edges and sides neatly so they form the wings of the bird. You can also adjust them slightly to make sure both sides are even. Finally, fold the tip of the top point part down just a little to create the bird beak. And there you have it. You can adjust the wings and the body a bit more to get your desired look. And that's it. You've just made your very own origami bird. Isn't it cute? Feel free to experiment with different sizes and colors of paper to create a whole flock of birds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.